Hello everyone, I'm David Lewis and welcome to another weekly sales tip. Learning to use your available visual means to enhance your sales process is one of the most valuable skills you can develop as a car salesperson. One of the best ways to utilize the power of visual stimulation is to make your customer see themselves seated behind the wheel during the demonstration drive. So pick a demo route that will take them by some large windows or mirrors where they can actually see themselves in the car in the reflection of the glass. This is a great way to create a sense of ownership of the vehicle to the customer, and it can make a real impact on their desire to buy the car. You see, people love to look at themselves, and giving them the opportunity to see themselves driving the vehicle they're looking at can have a tremendous impact on them and can help you sell the car. If your lot has reflective windows on the outside of the showroom, make sure you use them as you leave on the demo drive, driving slowly enough for the driver to see their reflection. If possible, have the customer park in front of them when you return to give them a full view of themselves sitting behind the wheel. Do not underestimate the potential power this can have on your customer's decision-making process. It is certainly true that a picture is worth 1,000 words.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.